Next package. Now where they're going to just do with what they want to do on it.
Here you go, buds.
If you need a little flour in your hands, that's fine. We have plenty on that pan.
So what are we doing?
Now you can make another bone if you would like, or you can make them like little flat kind of like patties. It's just now going to be dipping for your...
So the ideal dipping thing.
Yeah, what you want to dip into this cheese we just made that we're going to heat up.
Spoon.
Okay, you go, buddy. Spoon it up.
I should make a bowl. I can make a bowl. You could. You can make a bowl. I can make a spaceship. And out of your pumpkin, you can like take a spoonful and put it in.
Can I make get a little bit more of this so I can try making a bowl?
You have that amount to do something with.
What's this cold? Is this cold?
We're awfully quiet without our music on.
I can make spaceship. I mean, I could play music off my phone while you record, but like that'd be kind of loud. Probably wouldn't be able to hear the rest of us.
For the rest of us.
Decided that the table is a plate.
Trin used our hot pad. I wish I had that. I was too far away. I wonder if you're going to be able to tell. Oh my god.
I was trying to make a butterfly, but I think I have to change my mind. Maybe I can make a bat.
Oh, crappers.
I'm gonna make the perfect brown.
Personally, I don't think dog treats have little cuts in the ends.
Okay, I'm pressing.